Pi Binance listing. Is it going to come true? Is Binance really going to list Pi? There is a lot of rumors out there that Binance is going to definitely list Pi, but it's just a matter of time. So let's dive right into all of this in this very video. The first thing we need to understand here is if you come to the X page, you see Pi blockchain X page. They have this very post 4 hours ago, which is very, very important because it seems there is a closed door discussion going on right now between Pi and Binance. If you read this very post from Pi blockchain, we call on the crypto community to unite, demand that Binance officially announce the listing of the Pi network. Invite Pi holders to retweet this post and tag leaders. Let our voices be heard. This is very important. And if you go down a little bit, you see Binance parody. Which coin do you want be listed first? Is it Pi or ICE? These are very, very important information. And if you continue, there are a lot of crypto community leaders that are now calling on Binance to list Pi on their platform on the Binance exchange. So the question is, why do Pi, the entire team or the Pi blockchain want Binance to list their coin on their platform? Now, two reasons. The reason is because Binance have the biggest user base, is the exchange that have the highest user by far. Not only that, they have the highest 24 hours trading volume. What that means is if you compare Bybit to Binance, spot trading now, and you compare OKX as well to Binance, Binance have the largest 24 hours spot trading volume. I'm not talking about futures. And this is very important. Why? Because if Pi get the listing on Binance, it means that there will be more influx of buyers. And once there is more influx of buyers, definitely demand is going to outweigh supply and the price is going to move up. And by the way, we all know that a lot of persons that mined Pi, that is before now, and people that are mining right now, they are not willing to sell off their Pi token, just like many other people do sell off their token after listing. And this is a very crucial thing. Why? The more people hold the token and the more demand keep coming in for this very token, it will continue to be climbing all the way to the upside. And by the way, Pi is still in the mining process. Not everything is mined. So they want Binance to list this very coin so that it can gain popularity, and the buying pressure is going to begin to come in severely, which will make the price to rise. And once the price begin to rise, it will also attract other investors. Not only that, other giant whales will also consider buying Pi as well. So this is a very important thing. So what do you think on this very Binance listing Pi? Comment below. Do you think Binance is going to definitely list Pi after all this, or they are not going to list Pi at all? In my opinion, I believe Binance is going to list Pi no matter the delay. They're going to definitely list this very token, and this is not 100%. I believe it's going to happen 90%, and this is my personal opinion. So this is a very important thing about the Pi network right now, going directly or straight to the Binance exchange, and I believe it's also going to be a game changer. One interesting thing about the Pi token is that when it first get the listing, you see the Pi token was around 3,000, if my memory serves me right, 3,000 by market capitalization. But if you come right here on coin market cap, you see Pi at the 11th position. This is insane. 11th position. It has replaced Chainlink, XLM, and even Ton. Look at Ton right here. Ton is at the 21st position. Pi is now on the 11th position and gaining momentum. This is super, super important, guys. And the market capitalization right now is $13 billion. This is very huge and still increasing. We look at the 24 hours trading volume, which is $924 million right now, which very soon is going to hit $1 billion 24 hours trading volume. This is very huge and significant, and I believe Pi is going to do well with time. And if you look at it critically as well, if you click on the Pi token right here and you take a look at the critical on-chain data, you discover that Pi has its blockchain. And one of the reasons why I also believe is going to do very, very well, especially in the heat of the bull market. Blockexplorer.mypi.com. This is the blockchain. You can go right here and check on-chain activity on the Pi network. And this is very important. Look at it. Total supply right now is 100 billion, which is equal max supply. And then the circulating supply is 6.99 billion Pi, which is very, very important. And as you know, there are crypto exchanges that you can get Pi if you want to buy Pi right now. As you know, there are crypto exchanges that you can get Pi into your portfolio if you want to buy Pi. We have OKX, BitGet, we have Mexi, Get.io, Lbank, and all of these exchanges. You can get Pi into your portfolio if you want to hold this token and get the best out of it if the market begin to move all the way to the upside. Now, here is my take about the Pi token. You know, most time when new token comes on board, especially the token that have been in mining process for a very long time, finally comes to the market, there is always a noise about the token in the market, and that is what we're seeing in Pi right now, is getting this energy, this momentum, and people are interested in buying it. So this is going to definitely move the price all the way to the upside. What I am doing personally is that I have already bought Pi for short-term holding. Okay, I'm not going to hold for long term. When I mean long term, I'm looking at 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and thereabout. I am looking at short-term holding for Pi, that is 3 months and 6 months. I have bought Pi for that. And if you are in the Telegram channel, I have also bought for the short-term profit on that very trade, because I gave a trade on the Telegram channel for Pi buy position. And this is very important. So if you're not on the Telegram channel, the link in the description of this very video and also in the pinned comments, join right now. It is a free channel where you get more crypto updates and strategic investing information. And one thing that is very important here also is that you may have your own strategy, okay, investing strategy and what you are following, and that is very fine. But personally, this is what I'm doing. I'm not going to hold Pi for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or thereabout. I'm looking at a short holding and also trading the ups and down of this very token, just like we just took a trade on the Telegram channel. So this is very important, guys, and this is what I am doing. And before you also invest, please consider your investment decision. Do your research. Very important. Crypto 101. Do your research and be willing to lose what you put down on any crypto at all. A quick recap is that Binance may list Pi any moment from now, especially if they see the reason why they should list Pi, because every exchanges want to see a reason why they should list a token. Not after listing they would delist it, which is very important. And Pi has become now the 11th most valuable cryptocurrency in the world on coin market cap. This is a very important update. And do you think the price of Pi is going to keep going up? $3, we're going to see $10, $20, $30, $100, as the case may be? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. What is your Pi price prediction in the next 1 year or 2 years from now? Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment for more crypto news updates, day trading and investing strategies. Thanks for your support.